All right, guys, so check this out. I just got these Prism Cut Rope Chains, and so I just wanted to share the experience with you guys as I open these. This never gets old, honestly. It's like opening presents in Christmas is just exciting. This feeling, it never gets old. I'm just going to share with you guys the experience opening these up. I got the 3mm and I got a new millimeter to show you guys on the Prism Cut Rope Chain. By the way, I just got this. I haven't put it up yet. I just opened it up completely. Stay hungry, stay humble. I love that. It's an amazing quote to live by. And so I was able to open up the box. These are extremely annoying. They come with a little wire here. I got some cable cutters, but the cable cutter was actually too big. I have it here just to show you guys. So here it is. This is actually too big. I thought when I ordered online it was a little bit smaller. Doesn't really work. I need to buy a smaller one. So that's that. All right, guys, so let's open up the first one here. And this one is actually the new millimeter. Look at this. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of a close-up right now. Beautiful chains, guys. You can't beat this just holding it in hand. I'm trying my best to show you guys different angles, different type of B-roll when it comes to these chains, but it doesn't beat holding it in hand. You know what? I'm really hoping that this AI technology can actually improve. I think it would be pretty cool to possibly showing you guys live at a better, closer look how it actually looks like. I don't know, that technology would be pretty cool. But either way, here it is, guys. This is the Prism Cut Rope Chain. And again, this is the new millimeter. Let me give you guys some exact dimensions here. This is a 4mm Prism Cut Rope Chain. Yeah, 4mm. Beautiful. Look at this beauty here. That's that. All right, so let's open up another one here. Let's do this one. And here is another one. This one looks like a 3mm. Yep, 3mm Prism Cut Rope Chain. Let's see. Let's measure this one. I always like to measure them just to make sure that they actually ship out the right one. The next thing I need to do, I just need to weigh them, update the website, the gram weight, the pricing. When it comes to the gram weight, it's a little bit kind of not difficult, but you know, each batch does have a different gram weight. And so when I go to the website, I have to just do approximate because I might have a few other ones from a different batch that weighs a different weight amount. And here you have it, guys. This is a close-up on the Prism Cut Rope Chains. There is the 3mm and the 4mm, just to give you guys an idea on how these chains actually look like. Such a beautiful chain design. And so guys, I am going to be doing an individual video on the 3mm rope chain, the Prism Cut, and the 4mm Prism Cut rope chain. And so just to give you guys a better idea on the 2mm. I got a few extra kilos this time because they sold out nearly instantly last time I brought them into the website. And so I'm really excited to offer these to you guys. And they're just such beautiful chains, guys. These, honestly, in my personal opinion, when it comes to the rope chain, this is actually the new standard. Honestly, that's just my opinion again. But if you're wanting a diamond cut rope chain, get a Prism Cut Rope Chain. This is just what it's kind of meant to be. It's diamond cut. This is just extra diamond cuts. It's going to shine even better. And if you don't want a diamond cut, just get a plain rope chain that has no diamond cut. You know, not a lot of people sell those because that's not kind of what they're known for. You want a diamond cut rope chain, and so they're just beautiful chains. So this one here is the 4mm as well. Such a beautiful chain. Guys, keep in mind that I get samples of these from Italy months before I launch them on the website, and I wear these literally every single day just to test them out, just to see how they feel on the neck, just to see how they turn out when it comes to just wearing it on a daily basis with normal wear and tear. And guys, holding these in hand, wearing it for a few months already, they shine like no other. It's a really nice chain design, honestly. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I'm not gonna open every single one of them and bore you guys. I just wanted to give you guys a little insight of how I open these, and I'm about to weigh them, I'm about to measure them, I'm about to count them, and then update the website. So stay tuned for that. And like always, guys, if you can, put the fire emoji, the wave emoji in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Much love, respect, and I'll see you guys in the next video.